Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about lifelong learning. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we'll be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. We will combine blue and grey colors. The image we chose is black and white, but we will tease it a bit. In this title slide we will play with circles. First, we will color the background with a light blue. Right-click, Format Background, Fill, Solid Fill Color, the fifth in a row, blue, lighter 80%, close Format Background. Now we will insert 4 circles. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We will give the height and width dimensions so you can practice with us. We go to Insert, to Shape Format, Size, Height, 20.1 centimeters, and if you have inches in your settings, it's about 7.91 inches, and width 19 centimeters. And if you have inches in your settings, it's about 7.48 inches. And we put it in the desired position. Now we want to go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, we choose Eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, the first color, and Shape Format, Shape Outline, no outline. We go to right click, Format Shape, 3D Format, top bevel the first, bottom bevel the first, and all of these width and height 10 points. And we close Format Shape. Then we copy this circle, right click copy, right click paste, and we change the color. Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area. Then again right click copy, right click paste. We put it in the desired position. Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the third color outside of the design area. And one more time we copy the last circle, right click copy, right click paste. We go to Insert Pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Then right click Cut. We click the last circle that we have created. Right click Format Shape, Fill, Picture or Texture Fill, click Clipboard. Now, if we want to adjust the image more closely to the surface of the circle, we go to Picture Format, Crop Command, and we adjust the image. As we want. Click outside of the circle, and then we go right click, Format Picture, Picture Color, Color Tone, the first. Now close Format Background. We want to add some stars. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Stars and Banners, Star 4 points. Click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape format, shape outline, no outline. Shape effects, bevel, bevel the first. And we copy it another 2 times. Right click copy, right click paste, right click copy, right click paste. And we put it in the desired position. One here, one here, and one here. Now we will insert our title. We go to insert ribbon, we choose text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to choose font Aharoni, size 36, color with eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe, unlocking, infinite potential, the power of lifelong learning, close apostrophe. We click the title, shape format, text effects, bevel, bevel the first. We adjust the title and we put it in the desired position. Unlocking infinite potential, the power of lifelong learning. Now we want to insert our presenter's name. We go to insert, we choose and click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose again font Aharoni, size 18 as it is, color the same, eyedropper, click the left side from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our presenter's name by Martha G. Santos. We adjust the text. We go to shape format, text effects, bevel, bevel the first. And we want to insert a rectangle between the title and the presenter's name. We go to insert, shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape outline, no outline. Shape effects, we go to bevel, bevel the first. And that's it. Now it's time for animations. Before you start with the animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. First we go to the gray circle, we go to animations, entrance, we click zoom, start with previews, duration 1. We go to the second circle, entrance, zoom, start with previews, duration 1, delay 0.50. We go to the third circle, entrance, zoom, start with previews, duration 1, delay 0.75. We go to the fourth circle with the image, entrance zoom, start with previews, duration 1, delay 1. We go to the title, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1 as it is, effect options, float up as one object as it is. We go to the rectangle, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options, float up as it is. We go to the presenter's name, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as one object as it is. We go to the first star, entrance zoom, start after previews, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the second star, entrance zoom, start after previews, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options, object center as it is. And the last star, we go to entrance zoom, start after previews, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options, object center as it is. And now we go at the slideshow button, click to show you the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!